I've just bought a DeWalt refurbished angle grinder from Screwfix. I thought we'd quickly have a look together to see what you might get and whether it's worth the saving. Let's bring you in a little bit closer. Now, I didn't necessarily need a new angle grinder because they seem to last forever, which is the reason why I thought, oh, fuck it, I'll just get a refurbished one. I've had the tiniest look, so we're going to inspect it properly together in a second. I just want to explain the pricing. Normally, this is basically 75 quid. You can see there, they've discounted it down recently by 13%, so it's 65 quid. Now, the one below that is the one that I've got. They don't have it in stock anymore because they only get the odd one that comes up every now and then. You see the refurb by Screwfix, they're not going to have lots in stock. It's probably just one. You get it delivered or you maybe collect it. So this one is £52, so that means it's 20% cheaper than the standard list price that they've got. Please note, this is a refurbished product. It has previously been used, so may show slight signs of wear and tear. All refurbished products come with a 1-year guarantee and have been restored to work like new. Okay, the box, it's a little bit battered, not too bad. Obviously that's torn on there where previous tape has been taken off. This is non-standard tape just here. But otherwise it's not too bad. Okay, let's have a look in the box. I have cut the tape. I did have a quick look like that. So now I'm seeing it for the first time, just same as you. It's got instructions. Fine, there's a handle. That looks pretty goddamn new. We've got the Allen key. That looks like it's never been used. Cable. That is not dusty in any way, shape or form like a normal angle grinder is. It has been tested for safety. And then the angle grinder itself, I mean, honestly, that looks like it's never been used. Okay, just having a closer inspection. It looks possibly like there's a faint mark, maybe there and there. Probably won't even show up on camera. That might even just be like a fingerprint. Have I washed my hands? I honestly, it just doesn't look like it's ever been touched. Yeah, I mean that's still got the grease on it as well. I reckon this was probably just like a returned product, or maybe it just got a battered box or something. I have just seen there's a tiny scuff mark on the paint just there. But that might have just been me when I put it on the table. I honestly think it's never been used. And having that 20% saving, absolute bargain. Right, I suppose the most important thing, we're going to have to see if it works, hey? Let's whack this disc on and we go and plug it in. One more thing to check, does this lever work? You have to push that in and then you can move this around. Yeah, absolutely fine. I'm super happy with that purchase. Bearing in mind, I'm not sponsored by Screwfix, nor DeWalt. I wish I was. Why is there red on there? Is that blood? Am I bleeding?